Hello everybody. Two control boards I already fixed for today. I'm going to see if I can get this one fixed as well. I can't remember if I have the parts for this, but I remember that I ordered some parts. I maybe ordered too many, but let me see. 30D60, 30D60. That's a diode. I don't want to mess up. I think I ordered too many. Just, 60, 620 and 60. Is that the one? It might be the one. I'm gonna check. There's two parts I'm gonna replace. Those two parts, the 40 and 60F. I have to see which one. I ordered a little bit MOSFET here. 60 and 40 and 60. That's the one. Okay, that's the one. There you go. Here you are. That's the one. 40. Yeah, here you go. That's the one. That's first. Okay, so I might be able to fix this board as well. And then the other one is like this 1660. Let's see, where is it? No. No. I ordered so many of those MOSFETs. I don't know if I need so many of them, but no. What about this one? No. So many of them. No. Oh, I think that's the one. Yep, that's the one. That's the one. 640. Yeah, I think that's the one. Let me double check. I'm gonna pause the video. I just don't want to put here something that I don't need to install, but I think it's the one. Okay, yes, so this guy is a MOSFET, this one, the 640 and PBF. That's one MOSFET. This will go here, and this one is, where did I throw the bag already? Probably. Where is it? Yeah, I threw the bag. And this one, I think this is the IGBT. Where did I throw the bag? Oh, it's here. Let me just see. Oh, it's MOSFET too. So both of them MOSFETs. So this MOSFET will go right here, and this MOSFET will go right there. So those two will be replaced. I'm gonna replace them right away, and I think I'm gonna return this sucker. I think it's still under warranty. I just want a new one. This one, something's going on with this one. I don't like the way it works. Maybe I ruined it, I'm not sure, but it doesn't work good. Okay. Whew. Yeah, I forget always that there's this sealant in here. Now I'm gonna remove all those two of those MOSFETs. Such a awkward board. It's like this capacitor is humongous and it's so not comfortable to work on. Really tough to take this MOSFET out. This one's easy to take out. This one is giving me trouble. If I had this sucker now, 3 times, pam pam pam, done. This one takes so much time. Alright, I think what I'm gonna do is just use this needle nose and just go one by one, just heat it up and take off. Hopefully it's gonna come out. Yeah, this MOSFET is not very friendly. Okay, came out. Perfect. Okay. Messy. That's messy job. Okay. This comes out. Well, I thought it came out already. No, it didn't come out still. Okay. I was able to take both of them out. Now I'm gonna put it back together. That's for one. That's for the other one. Oh, that's not the right part. This one has 3 legs and this one has 2 legs. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video right now and I'll come back. I have to find this MOSFET with the 2 legs. I replaced this new MOSFET, and this I decided to leave. The reason why is first of all, I tested and it looks like it's good. There is a symbol here of a diode, so I suspect that this is a diode. So the way it works, if I tested it one way, it should show me OL, which is good. But if I swap my leads, it should give me a reading, which is good. So that means this diode is good. I'll send it off to the customer, we'll see what he says, and then we can go from there. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Take care.